Man, this always gets me so nervous doing this. We just got it all into a list here, and there is 29,657 total entries. The amount of entries you had is the amount of times that your name pops up on this list. So we're gonna go and put in the number generator, 29,657. 29,657. Generate 19466. Here we go. 19466. Kyle Stocky. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing it. Congratulations to you, Mr. Kyle. I will be giving you a call very soon. So here it is. As you can see, this is the same list that we just had here. You can see everyone's names right here going down the line. And you can see it is this tiny little dragger. So there is quite the list here. 29,000 entries, 29,658. Kyle had 100 entries into winning this, and he was entered in here through the Motor Club. So you guys know it's no joke. Jump into the Motor Club and get entered, and you could be the next winner. But I believe in the next clip, we'll be giving Kyle a call. I don't know if this is his number. We're trying to call. No!
Number you dialed.
Dang it. All right, hang on. Let me see if I got another one.
Message for 609.
Let's try this number.
Please leave your message for
Dang.
6.
Let's try this number. It's ringing. Come on, Kyle. Usually they let it ring, and then if you call again, they'll answer. That's what I do at least.
I'm sorry, the person you were trying.
Let's try again.
Hello?
Hi, I'm looking for a Kyle Stocky or Stochi. I don't know if you...
His last name is Stocky. I'm his mother. How can I help you?
Oh, hello. How are you?
Fine. How can I help you, honey?
Good. My name is Seth. Is Kyle with you right now or no?
No, we don't live together.
Oh, no sweat. I actually... So I need you to keep a little secret for me if you can.
Sure.
I run a YouTube channel that your son Kyle is a fan of, and we do car giveaways. He had entered and he won, so I'm trying to reach out to him right now. If you can send me his cell, I can try to give him a call right now.
I just don't want to give out his info without his permission.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm just trying to find the best way for you to say it to him without it blowing the surprise.
Okay, so what do you want me to say to him?
Tell him that you got a call. I'm trying to think of an easy way to...
I won't give the surprise away. I will call you right back.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you so much.
All right, no worries.
Okay,
Thank you.
Bye. All right, we got his mother. She's gonna try to call him right now, and hopefully she can get him to reach back out to us, and then we'll be able to, tell Kyle congratulations and tell him that he won the RSX. But guys, put your cell phone information down on the order, or add it somehow to the Motor Club. All right, guys, we're getting a call. Let's see if it's Kyle. It might be his mom. Let's see. Hello.
Hi, it's Seth.
Hi.
Hi, it's Jen, Kyle's mother.
Hey, Jen.
Hi, so I can give you his number.
You can? Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Jen. I appreciate it.
All right, well, good luck.
Thank you. I'm gonna give Kyle a call. We got his number from his mother, and we're gonna give him a ring.
Hello?
Hi, is this Kyle?
Yeah.
Hey, Kyle, how you doing?
What's happening, man?
Same old. Do you know who this is?
Yes, I do.
I've been trying to reach you on Instagram.
I saw your message the
I know
other day while
you
I
left
was
me on
getting
red.
ready.
You left me on red. I was a little upset.
Oh, I'm sorry, man.
I'm just messing with you.
My mom just called me and she's like, someone's looking for you. And I'm like, uh-oh.
Listen, man, I wanted to give you a call. You have been a supportive member of the Smpl Motor Club for a few months now. And today's the day that it pays off big time because you won the Acura RSX giveaway car.
Bro, no way.
Yeah.
No way. I have wanted an RSX since I got my driver's license.
Really? Oh my god,
Yeah,
I love that.
I was supposed to buy my buddy's RSX, and somebody took the front end off of it with the Chrysler 500 or whatever.
No.
The day before I was gonna buy it.
No, that stinks. Well, listen, you just won one for way less than what you probably would have paid for that, and this thing is, it's a real gem. I'm excited to, have you set up and come pick it up.
Bro, thank you so much.
Yeah, of course. I'm actually filming right now. I'm filming the phone call, the reaction, so you can say what's up to the YouTube channel.
What up, everybody?
We'll keep in contact, and then we'll set it up and we'll go from there. Can't wait to hand the keys over to you very soon. Congratulations to Kyle Stocky. He's been a member in the Motor Club for about 6-7 months now, and he won the RSX. So guys, jump into the Smpl Motor Club. You got automatically entered into every single one of these giveaways that we do, and I can't wait to hand the keys over to Kyle very soon. So I'll update you guys when he comes to pick up the car. So we were just looking, and it wasn't 6 months or so, it was a lot longer than that. Kyle had actually joined. So if you see here, these are the members. First obviously it was me, and then we got a couple members here, 5 people, and Kyle was the 6th member to join the Motor Club in January 2024. So Kyle has been supporting literally since day one on the Motor Club, and today is the day when that pays off big time for him. So really excited to meet him and congratulate him and say thank you for all the support that he's given. Just wanted to share that. Really excited it's going to a longtime member of the Motor Club and a big supporter of the channel and what we do here. So congratulations again to Kyle, and man, I'm excited. That is awesome. It's going to a good home, and I'm excited to give the car to him. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. So Kyle is here to pick up the RSX. We got him all mic'd up. He's right behind this door, and we're gonna show him the Acura RSX that he won. All right, here we go. Come on, check it out.
Oh man, she's beautiful.
You like it?
Yeah.
Let me grab the key.
Oh man, that blue is so nice.
It looks pretty sweet, huh?
Woo! Can I get in?
Yeah, go ahead. Pretty sweet, right? We got the PLM short shifter.
This is nice.
Pretty sweet, right?
Man, you guys did an amazing job.
Yeah, thank you. Brand new wheels, brand new tires.
You guys went over the top with this thing.
I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Yeah, man, it turned out pretty sweet. Stoked on it. I hope you're stoked on it. So,
oh, I am. I can't wait to bring this thing home.
Congratulations, brother. I
Thank
appreciate
you.
it. Any words for the viewers, for the camera?
Listen, you need to sign up for the Motor Club. I didn't spend a dime on merch. $10 a month, you're not gonna miss it. And I got a random call yesterday that I won a car.
And now he's here picking up his RSX. So you heard him, guys. Everyone spam the comments down below. Congrats to Kyle. So hopefully you'll be seeing this on his Instagram. We'll drop the link down below as well. There you go. Thanks for entering. I appreciate it. All right, see you next time. There it goes, Kyle. Congratulations. And man, that's how we do it, quick and easy. Came, picked up his car. Super stoked for him, guys. Thanks for tuning in to this video on the second channel, and I'll see you guys over on the main channel very soon. Make sure to jump in the Motor Club, get entered into all the giveaways that we do, just like this. Another one's coming very soon. See you guys in the next one.